So, Abhijit, today there was a hearing on this disqualification petition in the Supreme Court. What has happened? Could you elaborate on the details exactly what has happened?
Yeah, so the matter was there before the bench of the Chief Justice of India today. The matter was taken up today. At the hearing, the Solicitor General who was representing the Speaker in the beginning only said that the Speaker has heard the matter and he has now reserved it for order on the main matter on 29th of April. At this point of time, we pointed out to the court that in terms of the earlier order, that is the order of 10th February, the statement of the learned Solicitor General was recorded, wherein he had said that the matter will be taken up on 26 for disposal. After that, the Speaker has passed order on some application, but the main order has not yet been passed, and that he has now kept for 29th. So at that stage, Supreme Court also said that we are not happy with such a long date. He asked the learned Solicitor General, can you ask the Speaker whether he can pass the order in 1 week's time? In response to which the learned Solicitor General said that we would try to pass the order by 22nd of April. Again, the Chief Justice of India inquired whether it could be earlier, and then he said whether you could pass it on 20th of April, and requested the Solicitor General that you please take instruction from the Speaker, and kept the matter back for some time for the learned Solicitor General to take instruction. Thereafter, the learned Solicitor General took instruction and informed the court that he will pass the order in the disqualification petition on 20th of April. Then Supreme Court said that we will keep the matter in the matter before the court, Supreme Court, on 21st of April. So the statement made by the Speaker that he will pass the order on 20th, Supreme Court has listed the matter on 21st of April.
So now from 29th it has come to 28th.
Yes,
20th.
20th of April. From 29th it has come to 20th, because at the beginning itself the court expressed that they are not happy with such a long date given, and they said that the bench is not agreeable to date of 29th which was mentioned by the Solicitor General. So therefore, in fact, the court initially said, why don't you ask the Speaker to pass the order in 1 week? That is what the court in fact inquired.
So from your side also, what was the argument? What do you have pointed out?
Yes, we pointed out to the court that it's almost 19 months since we have filed the disqualification petition. There is the order of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court is in Meghas Chandra's judgment, which direct that the outer limit is 3 months. That has not been complied. Over and above that, in our own matter, on 10th of February, the Solicitor General, who is appearing on behalf of the Speaker, made a statement. His statement is recorded that he will dispose it on 26th of February, but that has not happened. We pointed out that this is getting delayed, unnecessarily getting delayed. So therefore, you need to tell them to do it fast. That is what we pointed out, and we said that basically let them pass the order and you keep matter at a shorter date, so that you if required you could give appropriate direction. So therefore, the court has kept the matter on 21st of.
You have been with this matter for a long time now, and the ups and downs, what has happened, and now since the matter has come a little bit earlier from 29 to 20th, what it looks like?
It looks like we genuinely have some merit in our case. That's what I could say. From our side, we have been very vocal about the fact that the manner in which the people have gone from one side to other side is clear case of disqualification under the 10th schedule. Because as we have been saying right from the beginning, and that has been our case, that what is required under the 10th schedule is the merger of the original political party. Now, even going by the written statement or the reply which have been filed by the 10 MLAs, they themselves say that merger is of the legislative party. Once that is their claim, on their claim itself it is clear that there is no merger of the original political party. If there is no merger of the original political party, obviously they have incurred disqualification.
Okay. So you would be waiting, hands, fingers crossed, at least on 20th.
We'll wait till 20th. We'll see what judgment the Honorable Speaker passes. What has happened in the present case is our hurdle has been the indecision.
Okay.
The decision has not been coming. We are waiting for the decision, whichever way it is. Let the Honorable Speaker should decide. That is what we have been insisting from the beginning, that you decide it. We have come before you. This is our case. You take a call. Now the Supreme Court says that the outer limit for doing it is 3 months. You have virtually crossed it long back. It's now almost 19 months that we have filed the petition. You should have decided. At least let's cross the hurdle one by one. Whatever decision he takes, we'll have to see what decision he take. Thereafter, take a call.
So whatever decision might come from the speaker, finally, would it be after that the Supreme Court would decide or what it is?
It is the
How it is
constitutional
like?
court thereafter to decide.
Okay.
Whatever decision the speakers take, if it is in our favor, we'll be happy. If it is not in our favor, we have our remedies of going to the constitutional court and showing the court how what we intend to say and what we have been saying for so long, that these people have actually incurred disqualifications.
So you are confident of your side?
Yes, we are more than confident. We are confident that it is clear case of disqualification. It is clear case where these people have defected, and we are confident because the reading of the statute and the precedents which are there, the judgments of the courts which are there, clearly indicate that these people have in fact incurred.
So 21st could be the final judgment.
20th will be judgment of this.
Then you have to go in the Supreme Court. No?
Yes, Supreme Court. Yes, that depends upon the order of the speaker. Whether speaker passes the order on 20th or not. Accordingly, the proceeding before the Supreme Court will be determined. What happens before the Supreme Court?
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.